And it's got these nice, here's the piece itself. You can see it's like a little bit longer than my hand. It's pretty thin, fits nicely in a drawer. It's got this nice, there you go, can you see that? Textured bottom, non-slip surface on the bottom. The handle is pretty nice, curves, fits your hand really well. You can hold it just like this. So literally what you're gonna do is you're gonna set it down just like this. You're gonna hold tightly. You're gonna take your knife. You're gonna put it through the coarse all the way at the base, down here at the base. Put it through the coarse and pull it through. It says you need to do it about 5 to 6 times. I'm not doing it the way I should right now. I should be on a flat surface. And pretty much that's what it is. So it works really well. Knives are very sharp. It says you should do them every 6 months. So every 6 months you should use this. Or whenever your knives are dull. We use our steak knives a lot, so I really needed one of these. I had one of these before and it didn't have a non-stick surface like this. I really love this one. It's pretty amazing. So again, that's Utopia Kitchen Knife Sharpener, and as you can see, it's got fine, coarse, and ceramic. Pretty simple to use. Everybody could use it. So there you go. Bye.